Hello everyone, it's Leah. So today I'll be making some curry jerk chicken. I'm chopping up some onions and peppers. Then I'm going to cook my onions and peppers. Then I'm going to make my curry jerk sauce, and then I'm going to put my cooked onions and peppers in the curry jerk sauce. And then after I do all of that, I'm going to wash my chicken, pluck my chicken and put it in a pan, and then I'm going to place it in the oven for about 350. I took the chicken out of the oven so the curry jerk sauce can soak in the chicken. The seasonings that I put in my sauce was curry, jerk, onion powder, garlic powder, and complete seasoning. That's all. I hope this video was helpful. Have a great day.